Hiya, how you going? So for today's ninja art tip, I would like to show you another tip about drawing, and this one is a little thing that I call twinchies, which is a great way to help you to get started. If you've got a visual diary like this, manhandle this. This is an A4 version of a visual diary, and if you've got one like this, sometimes it can be a bit daunting to get started with such a big blank page. So I'll show you this trick that I sort of invented. I thought I'd invented it. It's a thing called twinchies, and it stands for 2-inch size boxes, so twinchy squares. So the idea is to break up the page by drawing a whole pile of little smaller areas that you can do tiny drawings in, which isn't half as daunting as trying to attack a whole blank page. So the idea of twinchies I came up with on my own, all creatively, but then I googled it on the internet and I discovered that other people had been using that term too. So I can't claim to fame for the term twinchies, but I still love using it anyway. So here's the idea. I'll just switch around so you can see what's happening over here. Here's some examples of some that I've done before. But what you do is you just take this blank page and you just start to divide it up by hand drawing little squares. It doesn't matter how rough they are. It's actually really good to have rough hand-drawn squares. Don't, whatever you do, get a ruler out, because you don't want to do that and make it all neat and tidy. The goal with these visual diaries is to try and mess them up as much as you can. So you can just sort of randomly put these little roughly 2-inch square boxes all over the page. If you get bored with doing little squares, you can do rectangles as well, or you might just want to spice it up by drawing a bit of a circle, and then you can draw inside a circle as well. So it's fantastic to have a page laid out like that. It's much more fun to fill in little miniature drawings in each of these tiny areas than to try and attack a great big whole white page. So this one is one that we sometimes have a play with in our Learn to Draw classes. So this is a page of twinchies that I did with a bit of a theme, and I just found all my little toy friends, my studio friends that we play with in class and draw and do little portraits of. So I just did one of these each day for a week, and I had a bit of a play with using different mediums as well. But it's fun if you just use pencil. Just use a pencil to do little tiny drawings in here. So that's your tip of the day, to break up your page with twinchy boxes. And if you'd like to see more free tips, then come and visit the Zen and the Art of Art website at zenartart.com and go into the dojo area, and you'll see lots of freebie tips and tricks on learning to paint and draw. And also please like, share and comment on these videos so that Facebook doesn't hide it, and get Facebook to share it around with other people. So there you go. Thanks for watching.